Hello my friends, today I'm going to be showing you guys our weapon guides. We have 15 weapons here and we're going to shoot most of them. This is what I think a G18, and it's a pressure, automatic, semi-automatic weapon, and we're going to be shooting those cans. Here we have a dual M1911Z1, and these were our first weapons, so we're going to shoot those again. These are pretty weak, so nothing will happen. Only maybe a shake or... It's the one with the best accuracy, but very simple aiming, as you can see here. And we're gonna shoot those. This is an AK-47, and it's fully automatic. And we're gonna shoot those, and there's probably nothing gonna be worse. So my friend, this again is AK-47. Sorry, my brother left, so I'm gonna have to use one hand, and my accuracy may be somewhat kind of bad. But let's try it. Here my friends, again, sorry for the last one, look at the point of it. I had a little problem that we were out of bullets, and this is the last paint of all the 20,000 bullets we have. So I hope you enjoy it and check the last part of it. This was what happened. It looks like nothing, but if you see, the camera is not very high definition. So on the other side, there was a hole, and I'm going to show you briefly. And I hope you enjoyed it, and wait for the other part. Bye. As always, a gun has a bad entrance, but a good exit. And we're going to shoot the Del Valle water can. Atravessou?
Acho que sim.
Fala alguma coisa, idiota!
Oh, meu. Por pegou raspão ali. E mirou.
Shooting a can. Não, parou aí, ó. So this was my first video. I hope you enjoyed it, and do this at home because you may get injured and killed.